In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully navigate through Shein's website and find product details, specifically focusing on the SKU. For those of you who might not be familiar, SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit, which is a unique identifier for each product on the website. It's a handy piece of information useful for tracking and managing inventory. Whether you're a savvy shopper looking to compare prices or a business owner needing meticulous records, knowing how to find a product's SKU can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to www.shein.com. If you're accessing the website from a mobile device, consider downloading their app for a more streamlined experience. Although the steps I'll be guiding you through should be relatively similar on both platforms. The homepage of Shein is usually teeming with the latest fashion trends and various promotional banners, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always a good idea to check for any ongoing promotions that might be relevant to you. Once you're oriented on the homepage, your next step is to select a specific product that catches your eye. You can easily navigate through different categories such as clothing, accessories, or shoes, either by using the search bar at the top of the page or browsing through their curated collections. As you hover over or click a category, a drop-down menu will provide more specific options, allowing you to narrow down your choices. Don't rush this part if you're in a shopping mood. Enjoy the browsing experience. After selecting an item, you'll be directed to the product's detail page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about the product you're interested in, from size charts to customer reviews. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure the product meets your needs. But right now, our primary focus is on locating the SKU. Scroll down to the product description section, which is typically positioned below the larger images of the product itself. You'll notice a segment where various details are listed, such as the product's fabric type, sizing information, and style attributes. This is where you'll find the SKU noted. It's often labeled distinctly, so it should catch your eye pretty quickly. Jot this number down if you plan to reference this product later, or if you need to communicate with customer service or search for it in another context. And that's all there is to it. You've mastered the art of locating a product's SKU on Shein, a seemingly small but mighty detail that can greatly enhance your shopping or business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your online shopping just a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides. Happy shopping!